First, we give you Miss Judy Ann Santos. Her ascent to phenomenal stardom seemed like it was just one effortless joyride. But it did not come easy.
We have seen her grow up from a child star to a teen idol to a well-respected actress. Judy Ann Santos, the youngest superstar, the box office queen, the superstar of the new millennium. Whatever name is coined for her, inside, Juday is a fabulous woman who has had her own share of struggles and disappointments, but has come out stronger and wiser.
Juday, it's nice to see you. At tuwing tayo nagkikita, mas lalo kang gumaganda.
At tuwing tayo nagkikita, mas mahaba yung pinag-uusapan.
Off-cam, hindi on-cam, di ba?
Judy Ann, or Juday, is a product of a broken family. Fortunately, she was too young to know the pain.
Of course, so hindi ko talaga alam kung ano nangyayari sa mundo. Parang sa akin lang, kakain ako 3 beses sa araw, mag-aaral ako. Susulat ng daddy ko, okay ako. Sulat, magkikita kami ng daddy ko, okay. Actually, nakikita kami ng daddy, 16 years old na ako. So, hindi naman, in-enjoy ko lang yung moment. I mean,
Which moment? Anong moment na yan?
in-enjoy ko lang, hinayaan ko lang na magkaroon ako ng learning experience sa lahat ng nangyayari sa akin. Siguro, if I was older, nung naghiwalay sila, mas magiging mabigat sa akin kasi nakakaintindi na ako eh.
In the past, Juday was merely known as the younger sister of Liberty Boyd Jeffrey Santos, her more popular kuya. But exactly on her 8th birthday, she was serendipitously beckoned to show business.
Nag-audition yung friend ko sa Regal Films noong time na yon. Yung border namin, si Tita Linda, sinama lang ako. Eh, lagalag, lakwatsera, malagka, then jumoy. Sabi, saan ka mag-try? Paiyakin mo yung bata. So, pinaiyak ko. Pero yung time na yun, may nanalo na. Tapos sinabi sa akin na isasama ako sa promo. Tapos dire-diretso na siya. Pero hindi talaga yung full-blown artista na may sarili ka na kagad. So, hindi. Masaya ako kasi na-enjoy ko pa rin yung childhood ko.
But just like most budding actresses, Juday also started out as an extra.
Pamparaming ko ako na lahat ng commercial yung panahon yun. Palaging, asan ka dyan? Asan ito na yung puno? Di mo ako nakita, andun ako.
So at that age, pangarap ko talaga maging artista, Juday.
Hindi.
Or hindi mo alam, hindi ka aware.
Hindi ako aware na umaarte na ako. Yung maarte na yata talaga ako ng bata ako. Ano lang, gusto ko lang yung factor na bata pa lang ako, meron na akong sariling bank account. Nakakapag-ipon
Ganon,
ako.
gumagastos ka na at 8 years old?
Hindi nga.
Okay.
Iniipon ko lang siya.
Okay. Ano naging first purchase mo? Do you remember?
Make-up.
Make-up! Para sa shooting!
Jollibee.
Growing up with an absentee father is bad enough. But because of the family's needs, her mother, Carol, also had to leave her to work in Canada as a caregiver. Juday was left to the care of her 2 older siblings.
It's hard kapag may mga special occasions like graduations, Christmas, New Year. Masentimiento akong tao eh. Kaya rin siguro ako nagpursiging magluto kasi ang memories na natitira sa utak ko ngayon nung hindi kami magkasama ni Mami, umiiyak ako pag New Year, pag Christmas kasi 3 lang kami magkakasama. Yung, kuwawa naman kami yung Christmas tree namin, halaman na walang dahon, yung gano'n, yung... Pero...
Lonely Christmas.
Lonely always.
Enjoying a new sense of independence, Juday was forced to become mature at a very young age. As a teenager, she was groomed as a dramatic actress in a love team, and inevitably, she was linked to her leading man.
Siyempre, hindi mo rin maiiwasan na masasaktan din tayo. Without mentioning names. Pero parang kilala din natin. You can mention, please, be open with us.
Pero biggest frustration ko sa buhay ko, I thought lahat ng tao nakakasalubong ko sa show business are my friends. I thought I could trust them. I thought I could be very loyal to them. Na hindi pala. After a long, long time, hindi pala. It just turns out na sila pa pala yung unang taong mananakit sa'yo. It's hard. It's hard. It's painful. Pero wala. Ganun talaga yung buhay. And iisipin mo na lang na gusto to ni Lord.
Talaga malaki ang galit mo sa amin, ano?
Ano problema mo?
Nagtatanong ka pa kung anong problema ko, ha?
Amidst the heat of the limelight, the busy schedule, and the dizzying popularity, Juday grew up as a normal teenager. She fell in love, experienced betrayal of a friend, and cried many tears.
How much did that experience hurt you?
Yung ugali ko ngayon when it comes to friends, yes, I value you. I will let you know that I value you a lot. But ay, hindi mo na kita pagkakatiwalaan. Hindi mo na talaga. Yung pasong-paso ako. Yung ilang gabi akong umiyak.
Do you feel like sometimes parang umaarte din sila sa harapan mo? Para
Hindi ako
makuha yung parang kalooban mo?
Naiisip ko na lang yan after ilang days of working with them eh. Kasi napaka-vulnerable ko sa mga friends. Alam mo yan, Jeline, Taurus ka.
Yes. Gusto mo daming friends.
Oo, gusto ko. Ang dami kong kausap. Tapos gusto ko pag may problema ako, ang dami kong kasama. Yung gano'n, yung ayokong nag-iisa. Pero after a while, marirealize mo na okay lang din pala pag mag-isa ka kasi walang ibang maninira sa'yo kundi ikaw lang.
Masasabi kong ngayon lang ako nakakita ng artista na kagaya ni Judy Ann Santos. Kasi yung iba, nagumpisa sila, hindi karirang nasa utak nila eh. Kalandian muna. Parang sinasabi nga niya, marami pa po akong gusto ma-achieve.
During this time, the success of her soap operas and the blockbuster record of her movies catapulted her to the heights of superstardom. She won a long series of awards for her tremendous success as a teen idol, young actress, and box office queen. But as her popularity increased, she had been indulged with all kinds of criticisms, especially on her weight. People had a field day lambasting her for excess poundage.
Nang bonggang-bonggang siopaw ako, aparador ako, asukal na lang ang kulang, ensamada na. Yung matindi, asukal na lang. Oo, yung asukal at keso na lang ang kulang, ensamada ka na.
How did this make you feel?
Siyempre, natatawa na lang ako, pero deep inside, ang sakit ha. Masakit na to ha, para namang ang perfect niyo kung magsalita kayo ng ganyan. Yung,
ngayon?
may mga times na lumalabang ka na rin na, bakit maganda ka ba?
Ngayon? Ano sinasabi mo sa mga tao na nalait sa'yo?
Wala na ako sinasabi.
Hindi sila pwede magsalita ng ganyan.
Hinahayaan ko na lang sila ang mambatok sa sarili nila.
Juday endured every hurtful word about her weight, but soon enough, she realized that she had to exert effort in order to get past her awkward stage. Luckily, 3 of her movies required physical training. It was then that she started to go to the gym and try out new sports.
I just wanted to go to the gym, go on a diet. I just wanted to exercise. And nung nag-exercise ako, hindi ko naman inisip na gusto ko talaga magpapayat at tapakan at itong batukan itong mga taong kumukomento na mukha akong aparador. May balyena pa nga, yung butas na lang daw sa batok ang kulang ko, balyena na lang. Yung masakit na to. Para mo akong binalatan ng buhay at tinapunan mo ako ng asin. So nagustuhan ko lang, nagustuhan ko mag-muay thai, nagustuhan ko mag-boxing, tapos nag-South Beach ako. Tapos wala lang, parang na-addict lang ako. Nagpilates ako sa madaling araw. Nagbo-boxing ako ng 12 midnight.
Kasama rin ba sa pagpapayat ang fit room? At syempre, tahibo! Oo, naman! Tahibo! Diba?
Bago ako nag-start mag-endorse ng fit room, I had to try it first.
Yes. I remember that.
Yeah, because ano yun eh, capsule yun eh. Ayoko mag-endorse ng isang bagay na pwede akong magkaroon ng masisisi ako ng tao kasi health reasons to. So, sinubukan ko siya for a month nung nag-lose ako ng weight at wala naman akong naging allergies. That's the time that I endorsed Fitroom. So, whenever people would come up to me, does Fitroom really work? Yes, it works, but you have to exercise as well and ask your doctor kung pwede.